In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Sonnet for free. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick. And by the end, you'll have a polished, beginner-friendly explanation generated by the Sonnet 4.6 model. First, open your browser and head to Claude's new chat page. In the message box, we're going to craft a prompt that breaks down a complex topic into something anyone can understand. Type a request like this, in your own words if you'd like. Explain how blockchain works, step by step in very simple words, in paragraph form. Make it easy for a complete beginner. Start from what a transaction is, how it gets shared, how blocks are created, how they are checked or approved, and how they are linked together. Use a simple real-life analogy, like a notebook or a chain. Avoid technical jargon, or explain it clearly when needed. Giving structure like this: sequence, audience level, and an analogy, helps the model deliver a smooth, coherent explanation rather than a scattered list. Asking for paragraph form ensures it reads naturally, and specifying the analogy keeps the concept grounded in something familiar. Before you send the message, choose the right model. Look for the model picker at the top of the chat window. It's typically labeled with the current model name. Click it and select Sonnet 4.6. This is the balanced, capable option you can use here for free. And it's great for instructional writing, summaries, and brainstorming. If you don't immediately see the model menu, check the header or the area near the prompt box. Sometimes it's a drop-down or a button with the model name. Selecting Sonnet 4.6 now ensures your prompt is answered by the intended model without needing to resend anything. Now click Submit to send your prompt. Give it a moment, and Claude will return a clear explanation that walks through what a transaction is, how it's shared, how blocks are formed, how they're verified or approved, and how everything links together, using the simple analogy you requested. If the response feels too technical, just reply in the same thread with a quick follow-up like, simplify further, use shorter paragraphs, or explain the approval step with an everyday example. If it feels too brief, ask for more detail on a specific part, such as block creation or verification. Small nudges like this keep the answer aligned with your learning style without rewriting the whole prompt. That's all you need. Write a structured, beginner-focused prompt, switch the model to Sonnet 4.6, and submit. Use this same approach for any tough topic. Be explicit about the level, structure, and examples you want. Select Sonnet 4.6 and let it do the heavy lifting for free.